This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Telegram and making sure you are logged into the account you want to link or use. Once done, update the app if prompted so the scanner feature appears. Make sure the QR code you want to scan is visible on another screen or printed out. This reduces glare and framing problems. Now tap the main menu or profile area, that's where the QR access lives, and be ready to follow the app's prompts to open the scanner. You then navigate to the QR section inside Telegram. Tap your profile photo or the menu, look for the small QR icon, and choose Scan QR. Once selected, the app will ask for camera permission. Grant it so the scanner can function. Frame the code steadily in the on-screen guide and keep the camera 6-12 inches from the code depending on size. If lighting is low, move to brighter light. The scanner reads contrast more than color. After the code is recognized, Telegram will show the resulting action, join a group, add a contact, or open a link, and you should confirm it. If nothing happens, make sure the lens is clean, move to better light, and hold steady. Slight zooming or backing up helps focus. If the camera still fails, open the QR image on the same device and use Telegram's Share QR or Screenshots feature to import it. That usually resolves stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.